our process finally makes sense. I can provide my team a tool that's totally going to revolutionize the way they work. Before KETIV, it was a very manual process.
We would create a sketch and then piece by piece put the trench pieces down in the layout to fill it up, add the accessories separately, covers separately, creating files all separate, all manual work.
One of the biggest expectations we had for the tool and the project was to be able to reduce our lead times essentially on a design by up to 50%.
Usually the folks that are able to respond fast and with a high level of accuracy usually win. It increases their win rates, sometimes by 10, 20, 30, or even upwards of 50%.
The last solution they tried to implement was basically applying a piece of software to a problem. And in this case, we came in as a partner, understood their needs, and we built a custom solution for them.
They took the time to understand how we work, and they really understood our base tools, the Autodesk tools.
With this method, you authored the lines of that intersection and click that button and it generates it all for you. Really, really fast.
I think this is going to more than double the amount of layouts that we can do in an hour.
Before the tool launch, it was one designer, one project, start to finish. So now being able to run multiple projects at once is just helping to increase that efficiency even more. We've seen some examples where it's been greater than 50%, and I think seeing with the team, seeing that excitement from them has also been another success of the tool.
The team has been thrilled to work with KETIV and the outcomes that we've had so far. I think that having tool sets like this help us serve our customers faster and deliver their expected outcomes. It really delights them and empowers our employees to ensure that they're doing the right thing by the customer on a consistent basis and a lot faster.
I hope that this project that we've kicked off with KETIV is just the beginning. When we're looking at AI, which is the future, the data coming out is as good as the data going in. So working with KETIV and being able to, on the front end, clean up that data, better house and store that data, and get it in such a place that when we are ready to leverage it, our outputs are going to be really strong and, most importantly, correct and accurate. KETIV is absolutely the expert in the automation space, and they are the right partners for us in this project and beyond.